Yes guys, and you hear me right, because today I will assemble and demonstrate how to use our Xiaomi Deerma Vc25 Plus cordless wireless vacuum cleaner guys. Here guys, this is the Xiaomi Deerma Vc25 Plus Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. So how to use this and how we'll attach the other accessories. And if you haven't yet watched my unboxing of this Xiaomi Deerma Vc25, I can put the links in my description box down below, and you can check them out. And also I can put here the links here above my head, and you can check them out too. Guys, so what are we waiting for? Happy watching! Okay guys, so let's get started. I have the main machine. This one guys is the machine of the Xiaomi Deerma Vc25 Plus Handheld Wireless Vacuum Cleaner guys. So this is the machine guys. So you can see here the power button. Here guys, the red thing here. So this one is the maximum. If you want to be maximum, this is minimum guys. Minimize, maximum guys. Ayan, this one. Chinese lang siya, Chinese. Ito. Tapos ito yung power button, yung on and off. This one. Diba? Taray, diba? Ang lakas niya guys. So this is the main machine of the vacuum cleaner. This is the filter guys. This is the filter have a 4 layers filter guys sa loob. Tapos kapag binuksan nyo siya guys, ayun din dito kapag bubuksan nyo. Ito. Pag pinindot nyo itong pula na to guys, ayan. Bubukas yan guys. Pindutin natin na maigpit, ayan. Tapos pwede nyo na ilabas yung mga masasamang espiritu dyan. Ayan. Tapos, andito yung filter sa loob. Ito, may filter din dito sa, likod. Okay guys, so this is the machine, the main machine. Tapos, ito yung filter earlier. Tapos, ito, hahanapin nyo itong parang merong dyan. Yeah, this, the rectangle thing. Hahanapin nyo to guys. Tapos, nakita nyo to. Ayan. Ayan yung natin. So, dyan guys. Mag-click yan. Ayan. Once na na-hear yung click guys, it means it's okay. So, ayan na. So, ayan yung filter. Ito yung main machine niya guys. So, this is the main machine. Ayan. So, ayan. Deerma Cordless and Powerful guys. Ayan, yung Deerma. So, ayan. Ito, pwede to. So, we have a 2 nozzle here. We have the other nozzle, the edge nozzle for the edge guys, and this is the other nozzle guys. Ito, pwede siya sa hair, pwede siya sa mga keyboard. Ayan, may hair pa siya, diba? Ayan. Tapos, mo siya, ipupull mo siya pababa. Then, push it upward, backward, upward guys. Ayan. Kung ayaw mo ng brush guys, pwede naman to. Tapos, ganyan lang. Diba? Ganyan siya. Diba? Ayan. Tapos, eto, pwede rin naman pag mga maliliit lang. Yung mga sofa, pwede rin siya guys. Diba? Sofa. Diba? Tapos, ito yung main brush guys. So, yung main brush, ayan. So, pwede siya 180 degree, 360 rin guys. So, ito yung button niya sa red. So, ngayon, ito, kilala niyo na to. This is the connection tube, guys. Dun sa main machine at sa vacuum, dun sa other main brush, guys. So, ito, guys, for instant, guys, i-demonstrate ko sa inyo itong maliit na nozzle, the triangular nozzle. Ayan, pwede lang ganyan yan, guys. Ayan. Also for a car guys, sofa and other small appliances. Usually yun yung ginagamit. Pwede rin naman ito guys, another nozzle. So ito nozzle, diba ilaw yan guys? naman ito guys, ayan. Pwede rin. Tapos pull nyo backward, tapos i-forward nyo. Kung ayaw nyo ng brush, ito naman pwedeng gamitin. As maximum guys. Ayaw nyo naman minimize lang, tapos maximum. Tapos forward, I mean, is on, backward is off. So, ganyan pagtanggal. Tapos, kapag tube naman ang gusto nyo guys ilagay, ito, yung tube. Kita nyo yung red thing, guys. Ito yung red thing at this one. Ayun. Tapos, ito, diba yung isa main vacuum. Tapos, i-click nyo yan, guys. Once you hear the click, guys, means it's okay. Tapos, ito, guys, ilalagay natin to. Kita nyo yung red, diba, guys? Ayan. Yung red. Tapos, ito yung sa may button niya. Tapos, kailangan pareha sila, guys. Mag-click din yan. Tapos, ayan na. Yola, guys. Diba? Ayan, diba? Okay, guys. So, now, I will demonstrate you guys kung paano ginagawa ito. Okay, guys. So, now, I will use the main brush and the connection tube. Try naman natin yung connection tube, tapos yung ating one of the nozzle, 2-in-1 nozzle guys. So ayan, yung may brush kanina. Ayan guys, so ito naman yung nasa edge guys. Pag hindi nila button nila guys. Ayan guys, yung use niyan. Tapos, kapag yung isa naman guys, yung edge, papakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano ilalagay yung edge. Ganito rin ilalagay yung edge. Ayan. Diba? Okay guys, so I got the edge nozzle guys. So this one is also can clean the edge of your house like this. So here guys, you can see I have the main machine and the nozzle guys, the edge corner. This one can also clean the edge of your house or some of the cabinet, drawers, like that guys. Same as the straight nozzle, the one I showed you earlier. So, that's it guys. That's how I assemble and I demonstrate also how to use the Xiaomi Deerma Vc25 plus vacuum cleaner, the wireless, the cordless, the handheld guys for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you learn something today. Very handy siya, very easy to use guys. And I will put their socials, their link in my description box down below and you can check them out. This is the end of our video for today. Thank you very much for watching and thanks for supporting my videos. Mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today and please do subscribe if you haven't yet and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video pa. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah. Ciao.